Hello, I'm in a 2012 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and that your interface is all lit up. And then for this particular model, once everything's booted up, we're going to use your voice controls to add a phone. So once I start this, it's going to go through some various voice prompts, so we'll go through that.
Attempting to connect to your phone, please wait.
So if you've previously connected, it should let you connect now. I have not, so it's going to fail here in a moment and then walk through voice prompts. There is a limited number of phones you can have stored as well, so you might need to delete a phone first.
Would you like to add a phone now? After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the pin 1234. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
So as I said, we're looking for My Car. Sometimes this takes a few minutes or a few tries of restarting your phone or the vehicle, but usually it pops up the first try. There's My Car, and then it said the pin was 1234.
Phone connected. Please say a name for the phone.
Clay's phone. Clay's phone.
Is this correct? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Clay's phone.
Saved.
Alright, so that's it. So now you should be able to take calls, messages. Sometimes you can play music as well. Newer models, you might be able to sync up maps and things like that too. And then if you're troubleshooting, if your music will play, often if you click through your aux options here, and if you have a media button, maybe try that, but click through here, and if you do have the Bluetooth option, you will typically see it pop up, which this one appears it does not. So it looks like this one doesn't have music, but some models should, especially as you get to newer ones. But if you do and you're having issues, double check that the volume's on your phone as well as the vehicle. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.